party. Yeah. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Ooh, oh, damn. Hell no. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Yeah, okay. Oh, bleh, bleh, bleh. Hello. Oh wait, that kind of sounds like that one track in like Spotify by Tiny Timmy. Hello, my dear friends. Well, wait. Wait, no, never mind. Poo. So, poo. My days. What was the point of this video again? Oh yes. Since we're like, really close to like, what, 50 subs, this is a reveal of my voice, so, yes. Very crappy. Yeah. Hello, people. Hi. Should I do an actual introduction? Like, should I, like, type it out? Why am I drawing my expression? Anyways, I just wanted to say that I am so proud of myself and you guys for supporting me, even though I lost a netball match. And it means a lot to me, so I just wanted to do this. Yeah. Thanks, I guess. Should I end it here? Or, like, do you want to see the end result of this drawing? Maybe I should, like, post it. No, never mind. I'll keep this a secret to myself. Bye. Hold on.